Alright, what's good guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm starting this video is really good, but starting the video in the garage now. I'm starting in the garage, mainly okay, my car's outside, but I'm starting in the garage because it's windy outside. So yeah, so in this video I am gonna try to fit my spoiler the proper way, the way it should be fit. With a reference to the other car, which I'm also going to introduce to you guys in this video also. So it might be a little bit of a long video, and try to shorten it, maybe not. But so far, I didn't get this on camera, but I already took the spoiler off. If you can see right there. Yeah, it was quite a struggle to get it off, but it came off a lot easier than I expected. I was expecting a lot more of a struggle because there's Sikaflex on it. But that Sikaflex is coming off like it's nothing. Let me just show you guys what it did so far. I hope there's not much wind, I hope there's no noises, but yeah, that's the old stud that must still go back into there. Then I need to find a way. Oh yeah, that's what I did, to get that back inside there. And yeah, this is all coming off like super easy. There we go. There we go. Oh, it's easy. But let's leave it just there. I'm trying to get the rest of it off another time. Maybe tomorrow, or maybe I might actually just leave it on there. If it's actually, no, I'm gonna take it all off. But anyway, so far I just put the spoiler back on again, and it's obviously not fitting any better now. It's actually fitting a lot looser, but it's because there's no stud in there. So I think I'm just gonna put the camera down. I'm gonna put everything away. I just put the piece of so that's one of the old pieces of silicone. I put that in between it just so I can seal it hole, because there's a hole there. Don't want to leak in. Hopefully none of the holes will start rusting. I'm gonna leave it for till tomorrow because the audio is everything open. I'm gonna get self tappers and then washers and a metal drill bit, just so that I can drill the old stud back out. Hopefully drill the old stud out, and then I wanna push the holes on the bootlet down so that I can fit the spoiler obviously properly. And then yeah, so I'll see you guys in the morning. Good morning guys. I'm kidding, it's actually afternoon. This is actually after I've been to the hardware store. I'm just filming this now because I thought, okay, smooth transition. But okay, just a little out of breath now, but here she stands. I took the bump off, the bumper's in the yard. But this is a 1987 Honda Ballard 160i. So you can see right there. It's got a tow bar. It's in quite bad shape. Oh, not so okay. So then there's rust over here. There's rust on the inside also. There's that rust, and then there's rust over there. And that I put on my car. The other piece, my car's one is in the garage. But I don't know why they sprayed over the flipping spoiler. But yeah, that also makes the spoiler look like crap. But it's fine. It's gonna work. Yeah, let me just show you guys the engine bay. So this is the dock motor, the twin cam, basically. Yeah, you can call it twin cam. And yeah, so the problem that I've got with this, I think that some of the tappets are definitely loose. I'm not going to show you guys now, I'll do it in a separate video. Some of the tappets are definitely loose and it's running a bearing knock. So we're going to fix that. And then yeah, this will basically be the race car. I think that's the interior and everything. This is meant to be the full leather interior version. It is actually the full leather interior version. That's the clocks and everything. It's got full leather interior, but the previous owner, yeah, that's not very good condition. And the I think that one is good, but the ones at the back I'm not so sure about. I tried to get the cover off, but I couldn't believe. But I'm gonna try again another time. But yeah, have you guys ever seen the TikTok, the viral TikTok of first neutral, that's this car? And yes, that's my TikTok. You'll probably see 80 Stevens in it, but this is my TikTok. Anyway, okay, I'm here at Dolby's Bears now. So I got this drill bit. It's an industrial metal drill bit. Yeah, so my idea is basically that part, the anchor is gonna go into the spoiler after I drill the hole, and then I'm just gonna screw this in that way, because obviously the anchor opens up, so then hopefully it's gonna be fast. So I don't know. I'm thinking this. I have some of these at home. So I'm thinking this. Or I'm just gonna try to shove the bolt in there somehow. Yeah, but the problem with all of this flipping washers is there's so much of them in one flipping bag, and then it's like 120 rand. So I only need like 6. And like this isn't like Midas where I can just pick and choose. But I don't feel like going to Midas right now. So I'm either gonna get something here, or I'm just gonna go up to Galmo and see maybe what they have. Hey, there's a nice M2. Okay, I don't feel like driving me, because then I must come all the way back out again. So I'm gonna take a run across the boulders. Because Galmo had nothing, and then our boulders has what I'm gonna get. So I'm probably just gonna get the bigger one. If I need to cut it, I'll just cut it down to size. Or you know what? Either cut it down to size, or I'm just gonna leave it. I got it. It's $18, so oh well. Should fit actually. Or shouldn't actually be too big if I use my mind. I'm remembering, but oh well. Let's just get it. Yeah, so here's what they look like next to each other. And you can clearly see that the spoiler is not fitted properly. Like, look at that. Look at that fitment. You see how it lifted. I mean, besides this, that should also be closed. But beside, like, look at that lift. There's that little bit of a gap. You go to this one, and it's almost flat actually. So yeah, that's what my goal is. And also to get this one, I'm just gonna take this spoiler off here, so I can see the measurements. And then I'm gonna try to match that on the white car. Yeah, so basically these holes right here are the ones that I need to match on this one. Take this one off, and then I'm gonna try to fix that stud. Oh, it's fixed. I'm just gonna try to drill the hole into that stud, and then from there we'll take it. Yeah, so I'm just gonna clean this off and drill it out, and this side too, and then I'm gonna, yeah, you know. You didn't need to see this. I'm gonna put the phone on charge. Scary part about this is if I go off by a little bit, it's probably gonna go into the spoiler, and I'm flipping scared I'll do that. Yeah, I was afraid this was gonna happen. Luckily it's not that deep. I'll just try to bring it over. So finally, after much struggle, some progress made. Oh crap, okay. Yeah, so I drilled it right into there. You can't really see so nicely, but obviously the hole is not perfect. I don't think I'm gonna do this side. I'm just gonna try to see what happens when I have the screw fitted in there. But as we can see here, so this might be a little bit too small because it will go in there, but there's a little bit of gap. But I know this opens up, but still, like, I'm not sure. But I'll see. I'm gonna have to drill it a little bit deeper because I want to drill it in at least that deep. Okay, so before I address the progress, let me just address my flipping disappointment. I drilled right flipping through. Yeah, like while I was sitting on, because like I was trying to push one of these in, these anchors and stuff in, but it wasn't going all the way further. So I marked it a little bit. How far it needs to go. Keeping an eye on that. I'm pushing, and nothing's happening, and then it gives in and it goes right through. You don't understand the amount of disappointment I'm feeling right now. Like, I can't even show it. I cannot verbally say it either, but yeah. But anyway, so far I'm not still gonna bother with this one. Just leave it. So far I just put some masking tape on there just so that I can make markings. So what I did was I used the ruler like that, and then I put the 0 centimeter at the bottom of the line, and then I literally, it's so ghetto, I just literally held it like that, and then I walked over, and then I made my marking. So hopefully that's going to be accurate enough for this to look good, or for it to look OEM. First hole is drilled. It's not the most amazing or center hole. If it needs to be moved, I'll move it. Okay, so I test fitted it, and it's actually the right side. It's in the right places now. It's extremely messy, but I just got to deal with it. Yeah, so you can see I just used some nail polish in there, just waiting for it to dry. But it seems to test. When I test fitted it, it fits so much better. So yeah, just waiting for those to dry. Just need to do these also, and then yeah, we sorted. So you guys just saw now I just grinded this. Oh my word. I just grinded the washer down, Not the prettiest grind, but it should fit perfectly. So to seal up this hole, I just took a piece of the old silicone, put it in there, cut it up a little bit, shove it in there, and then I just put some Renzel sealer around it. And then when that gets dry, that should be watertight. But yeah, I'm actually so happy with how it fits now. It's exactly the way that it should be fit. You just see this side, just for reference. Yes sir. But yeah, so far so good. That's actually stuck on nail sealer, so I'm just going to seal on the bottom of it. And then it's going to go over there, but inside. So yeah. Hey guys, so it's the next morning. I just wanted to try to make this as quick as possible because I'm actually maybe late for work if I don't. But here's a nice, hold on. Here's a nice daytime look at it. As you can see, the fitment is a lot better. I mean, that gap is still there, but I think that's the reason why, but it's fine, I don't care. The fitment is a lot better now. So yeah, I'm so happy with that. So anyway, thanks guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Leave a like and subscribe. A couple more plans and a couple more content coming for the next few weeks. Yeah, thanks guys for watching. See you guys in the next one. Cheers.